Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a short drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw a Llama, because yes, you can draw a llama, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, I'm ready to show you. Let's get going. So the first thing that you're going to do is you'll notice that my paper or board is upright. It's vertical instead of horizontal. This is because llamas are a little bit taller than they are wide. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off by making almost a question mark, but without so much that goes inward. So we're going to start off with our question mark and make that question mark long. This is going to be your llama's neck. So you want it to be kind of long. I learned that llamas are actually cousins of camels. And so they both have those very long necks. And then you're going to make it kind of like into a candy cane. You're going to loop it and then make a little kind of round, and then you're going to come down. So we have our llama neck, and you might not want to go quite so deep. I made it a little deep. We're going to make our llama's face right inside here. We're going to make a little slope that comes down and then comes back in. So we have like a little snout. And remember, those llamas have really long necks. So we're going to take that neck and it's going to curve into its body. So we're going to make a kind of a big down and swoop. And from the top of our question mark, we're going to kind of come up and make a rounded body. So now we have our basic face and our llama body. And now we just need to finish up with some of our last details. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to add some legs. So right underneath its neck, you're going to make kind of a triangle shape that goes down into a straight shape. And then an upside down V kind of for its foot. It kind of has a hoof. Then you're going to do the same thing here, but you're only going to have part of one because this is its other leg that's behind us. And then we're going to do the same thing in the back, kind of down like a triangle and then straight, an upside down V, and then another one right in. Oh, I closed my V. I want to make that V come down and give it a little hoof. So now we have our good little legs, our good little body, our face. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to give it a little loop at the back for its tail. And now I know you've been waiting for this. You want a face. So you're going to draw just a circle and give yourself a little pupil. You can give it some eyelashes if you want. That is really up to you. And then up in the snout area, we're going to make kind of a little V and a line that curves to one side. And if you've done any other drawing videos with me before, you know that anytime I spend drawing with you is a happy time. So I'm going to curve that up so our llama has a little smile. And then we need one more step. We need some ears. So llamas have really pointy ears. And I learned that they have what is called a banana-shaped ear. So it kind of folds in so that it can protect its inside of its ears. Now, this is a basic llama, but llamas are known for being very fluffy and very fuzzy. So now that I have my basic shape, I'm going to go around the entire llama with a little zigzaggy stroke like this to make my llama a little bit fuzzy. You can make it as fuzzy or as unfuzzy as you want, but llamas are known for being fuzzy even on its tail because they give their wool is used for so many things. Then you're going to come around on the inside. You know what else and then back to the outside. That's why I always do my drawings with something that I can erase. Little fuzzy legs. Not on their hooves. Don't forget their belly. I always try and do my drawings with something that can erase because I know that making a mistake is easy to do, but it's easy to fix too if you have a good attitude. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You just drew a llama. If you enjoyed drawing a llama with me, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope you had fun. I know I did. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.